Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today I am using for this weekly tarot session Rider-Waite tarot cards, Atlantis card, and I am using crystals. Crystals also give very good messages. You need to know how to interpret it. As far as the law of attraction goes this week, I think you have practiced one thing. The first one I have told that you have to be optimistic to attract the law of attraction. Second thing, you have to think what you actually need. Third thing, you have to clear the space. That also I have told you. Now the actual, we will go into the law of attraction manifestation process. In this law of attraction manifestation process, you have to think that what you have got, need that you have already got. Yes, this is so simple that if you want to manifest money, then you should think that you have already got the money. And see, it's so simple. One of your friend or someone you trust most has promised you to give some money for some of your expenses, and you trust him that he is a person or she is a person if she gives a word, and it is. So in that case, when you have a financial crunch or something, that person promises you that I am giving you this money, so be without fear, that take care of all other works, I am there to support you. In that case, how much trust you put on that person, and you think that I was waiting for the money and I have got it. The only thing is, he said he will today get the money for me. So in that circumstances, how much trust you put? In the similar way, when you can trust a human being, why can't you trust the universe? It is given in the scriptures. You ask, it will be given. You knock, it will be opened. The similar way, the universe is ready to give you. It's up to you to take up it. Just have to believe it, that I am going to ask with full intention and I am going to get it. So with that confidence, whatever you want to manifest, just first you think that you have already got it and you will get it. This process of mind changing, of processing your mind, or little homework you do. So this week you do this. By next week I will tell you actually what you need to actually put on the words, how you put the words and how you manifest it. So let's quickly go into the session. So first I would like to tell you that I am a tarot reader, numerologist, Reiki master, healer and life coach. You can approach me for any personal problems of yours. I am also a golden Reiki healer. Golden healing is a highest range of healing which is new to people, but it is the zenith of healing. And also I am a member of 144 Golden Grid Conscious member. So golden healing becomes the highest range of healing, which helps to overcome with intentional healing. So rather than any symbols or any type of healing, I do intentional healing for quick remedies and all. So you can anytime contact me. So we will go into the session. Let's check the energies for Librans this week. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Daily we post card of the day. You can follow with the link given in the description box. For health this week you have got Justice. Career and business you have got Judgment, heavy cards. And relationship you have got Hermit. Crystals you have got Sunstone, and in Atlantis card Gratitude. So now justice in the health context says that if you are suffering from any health issues, you will get a good medical service provider, or your health, what is the core reason for your health issues, it will be known to you, and you will get good justice for your health. You will, alternatively, if you are suffering from any health issues related to some stress or something, that will be sorted out and you will be relieved and you will get back your health. You will bounce back to good health. That's what this card says. We can give 90% positivity. And in career and the financial context, you have got judgment. This card says that if you are now the period is as such, you are learning, you are going through a lean period, which gives you a feeling that you are not getting what you should do. You are putting your maximum but you are not getting it. Such type of situation for many of you, it is there now. Now the period has come. You will see that if you are in a good path, you will get the highest benefit from the universe. Things are changing for your highest good and you will get what you should need to get. Your business will pick up and your financial condition will pick up because of the intervention from the universe to help you, especially you. So this card says that you need to be more gratitude with the universe to give you the maximum out of it. The judgment card is a card which says that this card has come specially for you to give maximum wellness to you in whatever sphere it comes. So we can put 80% positivity. And in relationship, the Hermit card says that you are undergoing some sort of solitude or pain, or you want to keep away from people, you want to be alone for some time. That's what this card says. Because of some situation or some incident happening in recent past, you want to keep away from people or you want to walk away from the relationship, but it is not like that. Things will change with your perspective of approaching people, how you put on. You should use your inner heart, your intuition, your wisdom, and try to mend your relationship. That what this card says. This card says that it's not proper that you walk away. It is right that you should put your wisdom to mend it. That's what this card says. Only 30% positive. In Atlantis card, you have got gratitude. Gratitude is unlock the doors to universe body. The time is now. Say gratitude to the universe for what all good the universe has given to you. Not only universe, whoever has helped you to be in the position what you are. Pay gratitude to them in your heart so that universe can give you more out of it. That's what this card makes you to, reminds you that you need to pay gratitude for whomever have helped you in past, and alternatively it reminds you that pay gratitude to the universe for what all good it has given you, so that you can get, if you pay one gratitude, you can get 10x gratitude. That's what the law of gratitude means. So you should pay gratitude to the universe to get more out of it. And in the crystal, you have got sunstone. The sunstone is the stone with lot of glittering gold embedded in it. It says that your life is going to change. Whatever problem you are facing now is only temporary. You are going to shine. All your problems are going to go away. You are going to shine in your life. So if you like this channel, kindly like it, share it and subscribe it.